heard it moving to Texas. The storm is moving to Texas.
Okay.
So, hello everyone. Today, I will show you about Loan Factory, about what we offer our loan officer, why Loan Officer is a good platform for, why Loan Factory is a good platform for loan officer. And in order to really see the difference, I want all of you to compare the company that you are with right now versus Loan Factory. You have to compare so that you can receive the best benefit. You want to work with a company, with a platform that help you, that support you, so that you can win and grow your business, right? So this is important to compare. And I love to learn from you if your company is better than Loan Factory in any aspect. If you see that, oh, at Loan Factory, at your company, they offer better than Loan Factory, I want to know so that I can get better. And that our slogan is, we dare you to compare. We dare everyone to compare. We dare our clients to compare and shop around. We are not afraid of competition. And you too, we dare you to compare your company versus Loan Factory, because when you compare, it's good for you. Just like the client, when they compare rate, when they shop around, it's good for them, right? So I will share with you my screen so that you can understand. So this is our homepage. This is our website. And for the consumer, when they go to our website, they see right away that we are a technology company. We see a mobile app here with our pricing engine. So they know that we are a fintech company. And with technology, we can do anything. We can do things that other company cannot do. So for example, we even have this program, $1,000 best price guarantee. We guarantee that we give our client the best pricing. If not, we will pay them $1,000. And we make it really simple. Basically, they give us the loan estimate from another lender, and we will tell them if we can beat it or not. If not, they can close the loan and send us the CD, and we will pay them $1,000. It's really simple. It's really simple. And I can fill out this short form and upload us the LE. So this offer is exclude the jumbo loan or adjustable rate or builder preferred lender, because it's not apple to apple. Everything else we honor. So any question about this program? Okay, so this program is really good because if you promote this program, your client will love you. They know that you have good rate, and that's why you have this program. And of course, as the loan officer, you want to impress your client. You want to persuade your client to work with you because you have the best rate. You are not afraid of paying them $1,000 if you cannot beat the other offers. So this is really helpful and help the consumer to shop around too. It helps them as well. So this is the program. And then as you can see here, our accomplishment, we work with over 200 lenders. We have this many 5-star review. We have this many loan officer. So let me hold on one second. I want to show you our pricing engine. And I think we are one of the few company out there that have consumer-facing pricing engine. And it's not because the technology is not there. It's all because the lender and the loan officer out there do not want to show the consumer their rate. They don't want consumer to shop around. They don't want consumer to shop around. So the pricing engine here is so easy to use. The client can input the scenario and check the rate. Our pricing engine is better than Loan Shifter and other pricing engine out there because we help the consumer finding affordable home ownership program. So, for example, if you don't use this feature, right now you are with another company. You don't have our pricing engine. You use Loan Shifter or some other program, right? And you give them this normal rate. You don't try to help the client get lower rate. You show them a normal rate. You can see that the rate is 7.125% with some points because this client down 20% and their credit score is too low, right? And that makes sense. When your credit score is low and you're down so little, your rate is higher, right? It's common sense, and you accepted that. However, you don't know that if you ask the client one question, what is your income? And if they answer you that their income is $216,000, $216,000 a year, then if they tell you that, then you look at this rate, we can offer them 6.25% rate. Think about this. If the client shop around among you, between you and me, you quote them 7.25, I quote 6.25, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, right? Because if you look here, you can see that the adjustment of 2.75 is waived. Hello, V. Hello. I cannot hear you. Can you check your can you unmute it? Hello, can you unmute it?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Hi. Yeah, hi. My question is, when the client goes up to the pricing engine, are those prices loan officer specific or across the board?
Good question. Good question. So basically, you can see that on our pricing engine, we show our loan officer here. So loan officer, we help them get in 5-star review from Google. And let's go to this loan officer to find out. You can see that we create a profile for every loan officer. Everything about loan officer here, but the loan officer can have a website. You can see her website is yes2n.com, right? And every loan officer at Loan Factory, we have a website. We create a website for you, and it's free. And on your website, you can use your own domain name, yes2n.com. So you can buy your own domain name from GoDaddy.com. It costs like $12 a year. You can have your own domain name. And on your domain name, we have a website for you with your loan application, with the pricing engine, with your information, with your license, with everything about you. So we build this website for you for free. Okay. We build this website for you for free. And your pricing engine, you can customize it. You can customize it by showing the borrower or hiding the lender name. You can hide your compensation. You can hide many things. So to answer you, every loan officer will have your own website, your own domain name, your own pricing engine, and you can customize your pricing engine so that you can make 1% or 1.5% or 2%. It's up to you. I hope I answered your question. Okay, so
Yes, you did. Thank you.
thank you. So our pricing engine is really cool. It's not only easy to use, easy to understand, but very powerful, because on a refinance we show no closing costs. On a purchase we show points and credit, and the borrower or you can compare. Let's say the borrower say, okay, 6.375. What if I buy down? Should I buy down or not? A simple question like that, you can click on compare now. After you selecting the two rate, you can compare now, and you can see that if you buy down, you say 28,000, even though you pay 3,200. And after 3 years, 5 months, you will break even. So this is one of the tools. Another tool is you can compare 30 years versus 20 years or 15 years. You can select 20 years and click on it, and then you can compare. So between 30 years and 20 years, the borrower will save $168,000. And you send this to your client and they love it. And even better, it's so easy to share. You click here, you can send their information. Or you can even click here to send them the code. There's a lot of tools we do to help you. We even have the non-QM pricing engine. Most loan officers out there struggling with non-QM. You don't know what program, what lender to send to. You don't know what is the rate. You don't know how to shop around. Here at Loan Factory, we solve all of that problem. So you can go to here, you select owner-occupied bank statement program. You see right away that, let's say 7% here. There's 7 lenders. And this lender has the best rate. Some other lender, the rate are a lot higher. So if you want to, you can change the investment and it switch to the SCR, and the rate is 7.5. So this already including your compensation 1%. There's more said in here. So any question on this before I move on? So hi V.
Now this is
Hi Manuel.
question on the pricing that you show right now for the 6.625. Is that par pricing? Or is already points included in there?
It already include 1 point.
Okay,
And
so that 1 point with our commission.
Yeah, 1 point commission. And
Okay.
On your pricing engine, you can set it to 1.5%, 2%, or you can even set it to 0.5%. It's up to you.
Also, since we are able to have our own website that you guys will build for us, is the pricing engine going to be in that website?
Yes, everything.
Okay. So they don't really have to go to the website for Loan Factory. They can go to our website and actually use all these tools that you have on Loan Factory.
Correct. So you see this loan officer, and this is her website.
Oh,
It has
okay.
pricing engine. It has everything. This is her website.
Perfect.
Yeah. Thank you. Hello. Let me see. Tina. Hello, Tina.
Hi, Anh. Okay, so okay, I try to speak English. So the Loan Factory website, is it free, completely free that you built for us?
Completely free. Yes, we build a website for each of you, free.
And then quick questions like how do we set? You know how like Convoy and other DSCR loan have super low rate. I mean, do we beat them or do you know?
We believe we can beat anyone. Which lender? What lender is it?
It's called Convoy. They only do DSCR loan, and so it's like they advertise on like 5 to 6%. So I don't know.
Yeah. Let me get back to you on that. Victoria, can you write it down? Convoy. Let's research more about this lender.
Okay, and then I have a questions on like because I'm a very new officer. I'm actually taking my test in the next couple of weeks. I know how things work in terms of the loan, right? So feel like there's a certain percentage that the bank, or you get it from the bank, releases out, right? And then you guys sort of like play with the numbers in that we either like cut down our commission to give a better rate or increase the rate by adding our commission in it. Is that correct?
Yeah,
In a way, that's how it is, right?
it's pretty much basically, if you make more, your client will get higher rate. If you make less,
Yeah.
you get better rate. That's it.
Okay, so basically you're selling that. So then how do we compete with the bank, say like Bank of America? Because I'm trying to check out the loan, and then they gave me like, so when I'm checking on the engine here, it's like 6.25, but somehow they're able to give me like 6% at the bank. So it's like a quarter of a point less.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So
And I'm in Washington, so I don't know if Washington is different from other.
it's all the same. All the
Not the
states.
same? Okay.
The difference is with the bank, they have very low rate for jumbo loan, and we cannot compete.
You cannot complete jumbo loan. Okay.
For conventional loan,
Yeah.
we'll beat them for sure.
Okay. So jumbo you can't do.
With jumbo, we cannot beat the lender, the bank.
Okay. Is there a way to do that at all, or?
There's no other ways, because
Oh.
the bank, they have money from consumer. Consumer open up checking and saving account with them, so they have a lot of money from the consumer. So they turn around and lend it to the homeowner, and we cannot compete. We cannot,
They're able to offer a lower rate because they got all that money from the consumer at a lower rate. Like we would just put the money into like 3%. They loan it for 6%. Okay.
Thank you, Tina. Hey, V and Manuel, can you take down your hand if you're done, or if you have question, please let me know. Yeah.
Can I ask you another question? So then what's the cutoff for jumbo loan then?
You can go to our website and you can see that. Everything is on our website. It's really powerful. So
Can
here, look on.
Can I add something on that, Tuan?
Yes.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Okay, I deal with jumbo loans here in Southern California and San Diego for Tina. And yes, the jumbo loan are better priced with the retail banks, B of A, Chase, and so forth.
Yeah.
But we have the option to offer them alternative documentation with non-QM loans on jumbos all the way to $6 million that they cannot, because we can offer them programs. The jumbo programs that the retail banks use are fully documented incomes. So we have the ability to go to higher debt to income ratios, less documentation, or more sophisticated structured loans, and be able to compete with that as opposed to pricing only. That's how we win.
Oh, wait, so the maximum is $6 million?
Some of the banks that you see there on the non-QM for jumbo, it'll go to either $5 or $6 million. Now the loan to value is lower. They might have to put at least 20% down, which is also in most of the cases for the retail banks. But they will be able to. You'll be able to offer alternative documentation with them, so that you can actually achieve what the borrower wants.
Oh, what do you mean by alternative documentation?
Well, either bank statements or a P&L from their CPA or tax preparer, or simply if it's an investment property, you can use the SCR, debt service coverage ratio, which is the anticipated rent versus the payment. All those options are not offered at the retail level of B of A and Chase when you go jumbo.
Thank you, Ecuador and Tina.
Can I? Sorry, I have a little more questions.
Yeah.
Wait, is it $6 million a total debt for the person, or because I have a client that already have like 2 houses, one waterfront that's like that. What is $4 million, but I think they owe like $2 million on it, and they have another house that is they bought for $3 million. So that's like almost like they almost owe like $5 million already, and they wanted to buy another house that is waterfront that is like $4 million. Is that possible at all, or you don't think so?
Tina, you can talk to me after this.
Okay.
I mean, or this weekend.
All right.
Love to answer any question you
Sure.
have. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. So let me continue. You see I will show you another view. This is for consumer. That's why we keep it simple for the consumer. But for the loan officer, you see a lot more. You can do a lot more. And so someone asked me earlier about the conforming versus jumbo high balance. So on our pricing engine, you can see a link here, and you can look up you can learn what is the limit from here. Let's say here in San Jose, 1 unit conventional loan, the limit is 806. The high balance limit is 1,209,000. So more than this is jumbo. More than 806 is high balance. And this number change if it's 2 unit. If it's 3 unit, everything changes. So we have a limit. We have a limit for conventional loan or FHA loan or VA loan. So everything changes based on the zip code. And every year, the government changes all of this. So, got it? So they keep increase this every year. Okay? So here is what we offer a loan officer. We license in 48 states, so you can do business anywhere. And I do encourage everyone to get licensed in more than one state. Because me right now, even though I live in California, but I do more business in other states than California. So you should expand your business to other states. Hello, Rachel. You've been waiting.
Yes, I wanted to find out. Well, you kind of answered it a little bit, but a couple things. I did work for a B of A for a long time, and to answer everybody's question, not everybody's going to qualify for a jumbo loan. You have to have a lot of reserves, and your debt to income ratio has to be pretty low because it is B of A. So, and then just like the gentleman said, your loan to value is going to is maybe higher loan factory than it is with B of A. So you're going to have a lot of equity in your house, possibly. But the other thing is two questions is that I wanted to see how are you on FHA and VA rates? Because they're always much lower than conventional, conforming rates.
Yeah, and this is a great question, great idea, because I want you to do your own research. It's really simple. You can run a scenario with conventional loan, and then let's say this, right, 7%, and then you can. Oh, this is primary resident. So let me give you a quick. As a loan officer, you should compare, right? And of course, you want to compare FHA versus conventional loan. Sometimes FHA give you better deal. So in this scenario, you can easily pick one and then switch it to FHA loan, and then see the pricing, and then compare. So you can easily switch it and then compare now. Then you see the difference. FHA loan, conventional loan, FHA loan have lower rate here. But the one thing is they have to pay PMI. So always compare, and you should be able to determine which is better too, and advise your client. So
okay,
yeah, thank you, Rachel.
Yeah, and do you also does everybody have the same rate sheet? Do you know what I mean? Like, is par? Does everybody have the same rates when it comes to par?
Everybody. So let's say if you want to have better rate than me or other loan officer at Loan Factory, You just simply make less. That's all.
Well, yeah, I mean, I understood. Yeah, exactly. But I just want to know, based on par, everybody has the same rate sheet.
Yes, everyone have the same ratio.
And also,
So-
do you offer, thank you. And do you offer second mortgages at all, or is that something you don't do?
I will go to that soon. I will go to
Okay.
that soon.
Got it. Thank you.
So I really want you to compare your current company or any company that you know versus Loan Factory. I want you to compare everything. And we're gonna blow up. We are so much better than all companies out there. So first, we offer you the best technology platform. We build a platform ourselves. It has everything from POS, LOS, pricing engine, CRM, marketing, everything. We build it for you. Lead management, all that. So, and it's free. We don't, when you work with Loan Factory, you don't pay monthly fee, no technology fee. If you work with another company, they make you pay for Arrive, Lending Pad, Loan Shifter. You pay for many different subscriptions. And then they even charge you a fee too. Sometimes the company charges you a fee. So at Loan Factory, we don't charge anything. If you don't
Thank you for telling us that. I appreciate it. Is there last question? Are they in when it comes to leads? I'm assuming that we pay for leads. Is that correct?
Correct. And I will share with you that also soon. Yeah. So I will talk about lead soon. Okay. So at Loan Factory, we have training. I will provide training. Our COO will provide training. We have 5 trainings every month to make sure you learn and you should be able to do your job. It's not that difficult. With the technology, with our platform, you can learn so quick and become a good loan officer. With other company, there's no technology, there's no system to help you. You have to struggle to learn and do too many things. At Loan Factory, we know what's good for you. We tell you what to do. Only focus on what's good for you. And whatever not good for you, you don't have to worry. So we help you become a good loan officer. We provide marketing support and it's free. We have a team of 10 marketing staff who can help you create a customized image, edit video, run an ads. They can help you all for free. And we have a team of underwriter who can help you as well. So if you have a difficult loan, complicated loan, they can help you calculate ETR. If you're not sure what lender or what program to send the loan to, they can help you. If you need to argue with the lender on a condition, they can help you. If you don't know, if you have a non-QM loan and you don't know which program or lender you should send to, they can help you. And they can get the pricing for you, everything. So we have a lot of support to help you. And more support, I will mention about that too. No monthly fee, no desk fee, no junk fee. We are a flat fee company. So if you don't close a loan, you pay nothing. If you close a loan, you pay us a flat fee of $5.95. Also, we charge a $500 processing fee, which is really cheap. Almost all companies out there charge you at least $700 to $1,200 to process one loan. And here we charge only $500. And our processor do more than everyone else. They will submit the loan for you, issue disclosure. They will take the loan all the way to fund it for you. They take care of post-closing condition for you. So they do everything to help you. Commission, you can be 1099 or W2. It's up to you. But if you are licensed in a W2 state, then you must be W2. For example, Nevada, Massachusetts, Georgia. Those states, you have to be W2. There are 12 states that you have to be W2. And if you are W2 in one state, you have to be W2 everywhere. So try to be 1099. Most people like to be 1099. And that means you should avoid W2 state. If when I talk, if you have questions, you let me know. Rachel, you still have your hand raised. Please ask me question if it's related to what I talk about. If I haven't mentioned it, please wait because I have a lot to share with you. So if you need to raise question, raise it, but ask question that related to the topics that I mentioned already. Okay. Hi, Tina. You still have question? Okay. We cannot hear you. We cannot hear you. Okay. I will continue. We cannot hear you.
Oh, sorry. I was wondering, like, if we have any question at any time, do we ask you, or is there like another person to ask?
Wait to the end. Wait to the end. If it's not related to what I just talked about, wait to the end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Clifford.
Hi, just a quick question on the W-2. So for instance, other companies charge a payroll processing fee of like 10%. Is there an additional fee that comes out for the W-2 for payroll?
Yeah, we pay 90% instead of 100% if you are W-2.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Hi, Phylon.
Yes, hi. Is Texas a 1099 or W-2 state?
1099.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Thank you. At Loan Factory, we have a lot of clients apply at our website, the main website. We give away lead. We call that, we don't give away, but we give lead to our loan officer. Those leads are very high quality because they go to our website and fill our application. So the chance that we close are very high. And we pay 25 bps for those company lead. But the good thing is you are the loan officer. You can capture that relationship, and any future business is yours. You know, the client will come back and refinance, they will call you and you can help the client. We also offer $5,000, up to $5,000 referral fee if you refer a loan officer to Loan Factory. So we pay the bonus. Phylon, you still have question? Okay, so that's a lot. Now I want to share with you a lot of interesting things. First, as the loan officer, I want everyone to really understand a loan officer, the difference between a loan officer and a successful loan officer. A successful loan officer will offer client a lot of benefits. There are so many realtor and loan officers out there, right? And we know that 80% of loan officers are not good. And they don't close many loans. And the 20% of loan officers are very good and they close a lot of loans. So the 20% of loan officers do 80% of the business. And you want to be in that 20%. What makes them better than the other 80%? So what makes you better is your ability to help the client, give them a lot of benefit. When the client come to you, of course they want better rate, low rate, better rate. They want to get help from a professional, a good loan officer who know the guideline, who work hard for them and will help them get the best deal, the best rate, and close loan for them, find the right program for them. So that's why here you need to give them better rate and better service. At Loan Factory, we help you with all of that. At Loan Factory, we challenge everyone to beat our rate. We know that we have the best rate. That's why we're not afraid to offer $1,000 best price guarantee, because we are big. We can negotiate. We already negotiate with the lender. We told all our lender to give us the best rate. And they promised that we get the best rate. No one else get better rate than us. And the second reason why we have the best rate is we shop around many lenders on every single loan. Many loan officer and company out there, they don't do that. They close their eyes and send loan to one lender, United Wholesale Mortgage or whatever lender. A lot of loan officers out there are bad. They don't shop around for their client. And that's bad for them and for their clients. So at Loan Factory, we shop around every time. And that's why we get better rate. And excellent customer service. If you look at this record, no one in the country have more than 10,000 five-star Google review. No one in the country. So when you join Loan Factory, it's almost 99.9% sure that your client will get 5-star review, will give you 5-star review. That means your client will be happy with you. And that is exactly what you want, right? As a professional, you want all your clients to be happy with you and give you 5-star review. But most loan officers don't aware of that. Most loan officers don't even have 5-star review. You don't have an account with Google to collect 5-star reviews. Why? You know that consumer will look at that. Consumer will pick, they will evaluate you. They will decide whether they go with you or someone else based on your review, but you don't have it. So if you join Loan Factory, we will help you get that and build up the 5-star review. So let me share with you our loan process. Our loan process. So let's say here, the borrower check the rate on our website, they like it, they apply. The consumer can do many things. They can see if they qualify or not. If they click here and they enter their income, then our system will tell them if they qualify or not right away. We calculate the time, we let them know it, and they can apply. Or they can see the fee. They can see the fee instantly. We show them all the fee. Or they can create a rate alert. You know that consumer love to track the rate and decide when to lock the rate or when to refinance. So we have that. The borrower can create rate alert. They can say, oh, this is my target rate. This is my target price. When rate hit, let me know by email or text. So it's really easy. Hi, Corton. Hello, Corton.
Hey, how you doing? Sorry if I already missed this, but when they do the application, that doesn't go into the Loan Factory ether and any officer can pick that up. That goes directly to us individually, correct?
Correct. Because
Okay.
you have your own website. You tell your borrower, hey, go to my website. And your website can be CortonMorrison.com.
Okay, cool. I apologize.
Yeah.
I got a call
Yeah.
and I missed a couple
So
of things.
when borrower go to your website, they run pricing, they apply. Let's say they click apply, okay? Then we will take application. And our application is really smart. When we detect that they fill out application, we will send you a text message and say, hey, Corton, there's a borrower, Kevin Smith, filling out the application right now. So that you can log in, you can call them, you know. Hold on 1 second. I'm writing the notes so that I can improve. So the borrower can fill out an application. They will enter their email address, right? And then they enter their phone number. Password. They will create an account so that they can come back and finish it up if they stop in the middle, or they can upload document later. So I'm going to share with you the loan process, the whole entire process from A to Z. From first, the borrower go to my internet is so slow, I'm sorry. But the borrower go to your website. They check the rate, they check the rate, they like it, they fill out application. And here is the application the borrower gonna fill out. And we have AI application. AI can help you or your borrower to fill out the application. We can simply drop in driver license, tax return, pay stub, W-2, bank statement. So we drag it here, AI will read it and fill out application for us. So if you fill it, drop it here, it fill out application for you. And our system is better than other system out there because first it uses AI and it can calculate DTI for the borrower too. And on the liability page, the borrower can pull the credit report and pay for it. You don't have to pay. So on your website, you can turn on the switch to allow borrower to pay for it. So borrower will, you know, they have a tendency to see that they want to see their score, they want to see their credit, and normally they're willing to pay because it's their credit, their score. So if you turn it on, they will pay for it, and they will. You don't have to pay. This is one more trick that we do. So most of us hate trigger lead, right? When you pull your credit, the client credit report, so many loan officers out there will call your client, try to steal your client. At Loan Factory, we stop that. They simply click on the button to give us authorization so that we can put their number in the do not call registry. That way we stop the trigger lead. We help the client, we help you so that you don't have to worry about trigger lead. So that's something we do to help you. And on the last page, supporting document, the borrower can upload it. I can share with you. I can share with you a little bit on this. I can share with you the application. Hey, Corton, you still have question? Hey, Rachel.
Yes, I do have a question. When it comes to your website, is it going to be like a vanity website like Rachel's Loans, or can it be an actual website of like Lucky Mortgage Company?
It's up to you. If you don't want to, it's gonna be loanfactory.com/Rachel, for example. So, but then if you want, you can have your own domain name. It can be any name. It can be RachelConnolly.com or RachelMortgageQueen.com or ABCMortgage.com. It's up to you.
Oh, you've been reading what I do when you put green.
Yeah.
So do you too? So okay, so we're going to go down that road. Do you do energy efficient mortgages?
Yeah, you can put any name, but
no. Do you do energy efficient EEMs?
Oh, energy efficient mortgage. I'm not familiar with that.
Okay, don't worry about it. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
So the borrower can fill out application, right? So let me log into my account and show you the inside of a loan officer interface. But we can talk a little bit. I will share you the loan process from A to Z, where we call that do-it-yourself mortgage. The consumer will do almost everything. You do very little. And the processor will do almost everything to help you as well. So if we go here, you can see the application here. You can see the application, and let's say for the liability here, the borrower, in this case, they pulled the credit report already. They pulled it for us. And they didn't give us authorization. We have to contact them. But on the last page, on the document page, let's see, they upload. Oh, right here. They didn't upload document yet. So these conditions are generated automatically, and they can upload it In this case, they just finished it, but they haven't uploaded it yet. I cannot show you because I cannot show you the system too much because there's a client information in there, and I am forbidden to show you that. So I have to show you on the sandbox server with fake information. So here on the application page, you can see my team, branch, and company. So my, that means my loan, my application. So the borrower fill out application here. They use mobile app to fill out, or they can use AI to fill out. So we track all of that. We can see what is the percentage that they complete, how many to do. If you click on to do, you can see if they upload some of the document right here. So you can see that. And there's more information. But this is the application pipelines. There are 3 pipelines: leads, prospect, and loans. So leads is just a leads, right? Name and phone number, or name and email. Something simple. You keep track of your lead. You try to convert lead so that they will apply with you. And when they apply, it will show up on your prospect pipeline. Prospect is the same thing as application. If we have an application, it will show up here. And when the application is completed, 100% completed, and the borrower upload all the documents, you will go in and review. You will go in and review the 1003, review all the documents, make sure they are matching, make sure they qualify. And after that, you will, as the loan officer, you need to decide where to send the loan to, what loan program, right? So you can click on create rate alert so that you can see the rate. And of course, you should pick the income. You should check the income. So you can see the rate. What happened? Oh, here. You can see the rate, and you can create rate alert. So what I do is, when I submit the loan to the lender, I create rate alert. And I call the borrower up and say, hey, Kevin, thank you for filling out a complete application and upload all documents. I have submitted your loan to the lender. The lender is Provident funded. They are very fast. They will approve your loan within 24 hours. And we can lock the rate now. I have created rate alert for you already. Every morning, from now on, every morning, please check your email for the rate. If you like the rate, you can call me. I can lock the rate for you. If you don't like the rate, we will continue to wait. So that way, we have a system. The system will track the rate for us. We monitor the rate for us. The system will email the borrower every morning. The borrower will monitor the rate for us and call you if they want to lock the rate. So that solves a problem when the borrower call you and complain that you don't monitor the rate for them. You don't tell them to lock the rate. So in the past, I have a client call me and say, Tuan, what happened? Yesterday, rate was so good, but you didn't call me to lock. Now rate went up. I want yesterday's rate. Can you honor that? So it happened to me a lot. So by having the system to track the rate for us, we are free. We don't have to worry. So the borrower now will monitor the rate and tell you when they want to lock the rate. And then I tell them within 1 day, the lender will approve our loan. I have an assistant, the processor. His name is Richard. So Richard will work with you to collect the additional document required by the lender. And if we have everything submitted to the lender and they are happy with the documents, then we can close the loan. So this is what I explain to clients so that they understand what's going on. They are more than happy to check that email every day and monitor the rate and tell you if they want to lock the rate or not. So, and then your job is almost done, basically. Your job is basically review 1003, run a US, full credit, run a US, and determine the lender, determine the loan program, and convert it to a loan. The processor will take over. They will submit the loan to the lender for you. They will issue disclosure. They will work with the lender, the title company, the insurance company, the employer. They do everything to make sure the loan can be moved to close for you. You don't have to do anything else. They will call you. They will call you when the loan is approved to go over all conditions with you so that you understand what's going on with the loan, so that you and the processor are on the same page regarding what to do to clear the condition. So the processor must submit your loan within 4 business hours. And they have to touch your loan every day. So now let me summarize the whole process. The borrower check the rate on your website. They fill out application on your website. You will receive notification on your cell phone with a text message that borrower applying. You will jump in, call the borrower, advise them, help them finish the application and upload documents. When that's done, you will go in, review 1003, review documents that is submitted, make sure everything match up, everything makes sense, make sure DTI is good. You pull your credit report, you run AUS, you run the pricing, you pick the program, you pick the lender, and create rate alert. You convert it to a loan so that the processor will submit the loan to the lender for you. You will call the borrower and tell them, hey, I have submitted your loan to the lender. Please check your email, monitor the rate, call me when you want to lock the rate. I will lock for you. So if you don't monitor, it's your problem. Okay? Don't blame me. And within a day, the lender will approve the loan. The processor will jump on and work with your client to clear the condition. And they will work on your loan every day. They have to. They will move the loan on the way to fund it. When the loan is funded, you get notified. Of course, you know what's going on along the process. So for example, here's the loan. Here's the loan. And you can see the loan have status. There's a lot of status. When the loan funded, you can see the progress, the workflow. You can see the workflow. And we have this workflow. So you can look back to see what's going on. So you and the borrower and the client can see what's going on our website. Everyone can log on and see what's going on. So any question on the loan process? Hello, Rachel.
Yes, I just wanted to find out when do people get paid?
Yeah, when the loan is funded, you can go to the commission and request pay. So as soon as we receive the money from title, you can request commission, and we will review and approve and pay every day. So the process, it will review the commission request and pay every day. Unless, if you are 1099, we approve every day and pay every day. If you are W2, we pay every week.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Ecuador?
Yes, quick question. So can we also delegate running DU or AUS to the processor? Do you suggest?
If you want to, but it's so easy. It's just one click.
Okay.
Right? as long as our system is highly automated. After you pull credit, you click a button, it do one click AUS, it run for you.
Okay.
And then you go in, you review the findings. You find out the condition. You can kind of prepare ahead of time. Yeah. So the whole process is really simple. The borrower and processor do most of the work for you. You do very little at the middle when to review the 1003 review document, pull credit, run AUS, and submit it to the lender. You convert it to a loan so that processor will submit it to the lender for you. Hi, Dugar.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
A quick question. I think you said that if anybody refers you, a loan officer to you, you would pay up to how much?
We pay up to $5,000.
Mm-hmm.
So if the referral loan officer closed 50 loans in the last 12 months, we pay $5,000.
Okay, it's based on their previous performance.
Yeah, we look at previous 12 months performance.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So the process is the borrower, because they do everything themselves. If there's problem or mistake, they cannot blame you. If they know that they need to send you this document, but they don't send it, they cannot blame you. So because of the process is transparent, the process is highly automated, and we shift the responsibility to the borrower. Therefore, it's very hard that they find problem, they blame you, and they are not happy. Rarely that happens. And that's why we get so many 5-star reviews. So let me share with you something really cool. So this is our marketplace. On the marketplace, we have 232 lenders, and the lenders are live so that they can talk to you. So they're waiting to help you. You have any question, click on it, and then you can talk to the AE. And click on it, it will pop up, and you can talk to the AE. And AE will help you answer question. They help you. You can see that we have all information about the lender in here: their address, their phone number, their website, their license state, everything. What product they do, any TBD approval or not. You can see if we approve with them or not. The compensation that we have with them, everything that we have. Okay. So the EPO policy, any niche or overlay, we have all information about the lender. And you can look up any lender here. Look up any lender here. Reach out. You can also look up the product. Let's say you have a private loan. You need to find the lender for your private loan. You go here and you can see all the lender that offer private loan, 85 lender. Okay, 85 lender that can do private loan. And you can, let's say if you want to ask them question, you can click on this button, email this lender a scenario. If you email them, then you can write out your scenario. You can select any information here. And I'm trying to write note. So, and then the system will email all of the system will email all of this lender your scenario, and then we'll get back to you. You post it, and after you post it, the lender will get notified, and they will get back to you. You can come here to lender finder here, and you can see the response. Like this loan officer asking this question, and 4 people respond. You can hear the response. So this loan officer asks question and lender respond. So you can come here and see all the response, or you can learn from all of these scenario and respond. So you can filter too. So the lender filter is really powerful. It allows you to connect to the lender. It allows you to find the lender for your loan, for your clients, for your realtor. And that means you never say no anymore. You know, in the past, most of us say no to our client. Oh, I don't do mobile home loan. Oh, I don't do land. Oh, I don't do commercial loan. Why? You should say yes. Yes, I can do any type of loan. Yes, I can help you. So that the client will love you. They know that they can come to you and you will help them. If you say no one time, they will never come back. Realtor, same thing. Client, same thing. You say no, they never come back. Put yourself as the consumer. If you need help with an attorney, you call the attorney up and they say no, they cannot help you because they don't do it. You never call them back, right? So why would you say no to your client? At Loan Factory, we'll never say no to our clients. You can do any type of loans, from you know, private loan, commercial. Let me go back to this. So commercial lender, reverse mortgage. Yeah, let me go back here. Commercial lender, we have 43 lender that do commercial lender. Reverse mortgage, land, chattel mortgage, SBA loan, church. We do all kind of loan. Mobile home loan. Most of you cannot do mobile home loan, but at Loan Factory we can do it. Hi, Colton.
Hi. All of these commercial lending relationships, they pay commission on it, I'm assuming?
It depends. It depends. Let's say commercial lender, right? Some of them are bank. They don't take commission. You just add the commission on top of it. But some of them, like com loan, they will take a commission off it. So it depends. And you need to work with them one by one. You need to find them and talk to them. You can click on this to find out who they are. You can call them up and just talk to them. But my advice is always send out a scenario to all of them. And then when they reach out to you, you talk to them and negotiate and talk to them how you can get paid and all that.
And it's all different types of commercial loans, from factoring to commercial bills.
Exactly. All different.
I apologize if this was already spoken, but you have a core line with Rocket, is that correct?
Correct. We work with Rocket. We have core line, correspondent channel with Rocket. Yes.
That's amazing. And if I charge 2% but want to charge 1% on the core line, how does that work?
We keep it simple. Either you get paid in the back or the front. Okay. We don't offer both.
And it's still disclosed. It's not disclosed to the client then being on the core line, correct?
Correct. You can hide your commission. Nobody can see it.
But is there still Rocket Pro TPO as well, or is it, if anything goes to Rocket, it's through the core line?
No, your choice. When you submit, when you run pricing, or when you submit your loan to the land, when you convert your loan from prospect to loan, you will indicate that if you want correspondent or wholesale. You will decide whether you want, what lender you want. You will decide what if it lender pay or borrower pay. You will decide what is your compensation, 1%, 1.5%, 3%, 2.5%. It's up to you. So you will decide all of that for every loan.
Why? Okay. I apologize if I missed something. If I want to just go to Rocket, because I'm very familiar with Rocket, if is there an advantage to do the core line versus TPO, or vice versa?
For wholesale and correspondent, we keep the pricing the same.
Okay.
And the best pricing out there. No one can beat our rate. You know, Rocket promised that no one else can have better rate than us. And so we keep all the pricing the same. With correspondent, we charge you $300 extra on the admin fee, but you are allowed to charge the borrower processing fee. So those are the only difference.
You can charge the borrower the processing fee on the core line.
You cannot charge the borrower processing fee on the wholesale, but on correspondent, yes, you can.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so our marketplace is really cool. Besides, you can look up the lender, you can talk to them, you can try to find a lender for your scenario. You can go to Loan Factory here, and you can see that you can talk to a support specialist live. Any question you have, you talk to that person, they can help you. No other company out there provide live support like this. We also have underwriters who are live to help you. So if you want them to go over the loan with you, calculate DTI, you have any question, you can meet our underwriter live and they can help you. So this is the best service that you can think of. We have team concept. So you can have your own team or you can join a team. And normally within a team, you help each other, you work together. And normally you pay your team leader a small split, 5, 10%, 15%, depend on how much they help you. So we do have teams at Loan Factory. It's a great concept. It's a great way to grow your production, work with others, learn from each other, helping each other. So we have team, and some team have 9 members, some team have 12, a lot of different team out there. Okay, this team has 28 members. So we also have mentor. So if you are brand new, joining the industry, Loan Factory pay you only 80% for the first 3 transactions. However, we encourage you to join a mentor so that the mentor can help you. And of course, you need to pay the mentor. So it's up to you to reach out to the mentor and talk to them and join them. And when you join a mentor, the company pay you 100%. And you can split that with your mentor, wherever. You know, some mentor have different split in here. So, and I recommend you to work with a mentor so that you can learn from the mentor. It's only 3 loans. And it's up to you to join the mentor or leave the mentor. But you have to be with a mentor for the first 3 transactions. Hey, V Johnson.
Okay, thank you. I have one quick question. So you said the first 3 transactions, you have to go through a mentor for that?
Either that, or if you don't join a mentor, we're gonna pay you only 80%, not 100%.
Real quick. I'm sorry, real quick. Hey, who runs DU? Do we run DU or do you all do it?
You run DU. It's so simple. On our system, you click on it, one click AUS. Yeah.
Okay. That's all. Thank you.
And you can run DU on the lender website if you don't want to run on our system. And
okay.
Thank you. The thing about Rocket Mortgage, they are really cool. If you don't want to pay for credit report, you can submit to Rocket and pull the credit on their website, and they pay for it. So Rocket will pay for the credit report for you if you pull the credit on their website, and you can run AUS on their website. Rocket give a 20 bip better than other loan officer, other company out there. And Rocket will help us increase the credit score for free. So if you pull the credit report, on top of the report, normally you see plus 12, plus 13, plus 20, right? That means you can help your client quickly increase the credit score. And you can ask Rocket to help you. They will work with the borrower and increase the score for the borrower for free. And the borrower, after the credit score increase, we can ask them to update the score and give us better pricing. It's free. So it's really cool to when we work with Rocket. They help us so much. Hello, Corton. Corton? Okay, let me continue. So we have production partners. So for example, you have a loan with a client who you don't speak their language. Let's say Spanish or Chinese. You don't speak the language, but the client want to work with you. You can look up our company for someone who speaks Chinese. And then you can reach out to the loan officer and say, hey, you want to help me with this loan? We split the commission. So someone can help your client and you can split the commission. Okay, any question on this? We have teams, mentors, and production partner so that we can help each other, help the clients, and we can share the commission. We have events, which is training. And you can see a lot of training here. Like next month, I have a few more training. We have weekly sales call, company meeting, and there's a lot of training from the lender as well. And on the completed event training, like this morning, I have a training this morning on pricing. There's more training that we recorded and you can watch it. You can click here to watch it. So we have a lot of training for you on our marketplace. You can see all the trade shows around the country. Like next week, I will be in North Carolina. And then the following week, I will be in Portland, Oregon. So there's a lot of events happen around the country and you can attend it. Let's see what else. Okay, there's a lot more here. So for example, rate alert. For me, I create rate alert for every single of my client. And that way, the system will monitor the rate for my clients. When rate drop, the system notify the client, notify me, so that we can refinance for them. So we have like I myself have 20,000 rate alert running. So let's say this client, like this client here, rate alert hit today. Today, rate alert hit 1.4 million. We can reach out to them and help them. So, so rate alert is a very cool feature and it's free. It's free. So let me see. We have commission requests. You can request commission. The ticket system, if you have question, you need help, you just go in and create a ticket. We will jump in and help you. My referral realtor, I have 442 realtor where I can track the referral back and forth. I can nurture them. I can communicate with them. We can send out monthly report to them to share with them how many they refer to us, how many we refer to them. Marketing feature, which is Facebook. So with Facebook ads, you can run ads to generate lead. And it can be a different language, different program, different promotion. And let's say you pick the Spanish 1+ program in Spanish. You can set the budget, $15 a day, and when you want to end it. You can upload more video or image. You can change the text of the ads. You can decide what state you want to run ads. You can pick the language. You can pick the characteristic of the audience, and then you submit it. The system will run ads for you. Facebook will run ads for you. And if there's any lead, our system will send you a text message to let you know, hey, there's a new lead. Call him, call her, so that you can call, right? So this is our system. It's so easy to run. It's very effective. And it's better than Lead Hacker. You heard about Lead Hacker. They charge $296 a month. We give it to you for free. Marketing materials. We have hundreds of thousands of marketing materials where you can promote yourself. So you can filter, these are in Vietnamese, a lot of, you can change the language. You can change the language to Spanish or English. And there's tons of marketing material for you to promote. You can promote a loan program. You can promote a realtor. You can co-marketing with a realtor. You can promote a review. Let's say you receive 5-star review, promote it. If you want to promote a holiday, you want to promote a rate, you can click here to get the image, to post it. You can let's say you close the loan, clear the close really fast. You can promote it. You can generate these images to promote it. So there's a lot of marketing materials to help you. We have email drip campaign where you can drip all your clients on holiday, or your realtor. You can do a follow-up drip campaign. You can do mailing lists where you can send email to all of them, thousands of them, and you can view the result. Let's say this one, I send out, and it has 248 contacts, and I can see the statistic. 90 people didn't open the email. 125 people opened the email. You can track all of this. So we have email lists for you. We have more feature here. We have the academy where you can learn. Training academy here where you can learn from us, and it's free. It's online, everything online. So here are the courses you can get trained on. We also have on the bottom right here, you can have AI. So if you click on it, our AI will launch. You can ask any question about your loan guideline. You can ask questions about Loan Factory. You can ask AI to fill out application for you. You can ask AI to quote rate for you, anything. So there's a lot that we offer to you, and I want to open up to see if you have any question for me. Any question for me? So I challenge you I challenge you to compare your company versus Loan Factory so that you know which company offer you more. And you need that. You need your company to offer a lot more so that you can turn around and compete, right? And if you are a good loan officer with a good system, good support, good pricing, then it's easier for you to win the clients and become more successful. If the company doesn't provide you support or pricing or service, how can you compete? How can you win, right? So I want you to keep comparing and let me know if you have any question, because the good thing is if you work with me, I'm gonna be the one that train you and help you and support you. I want you to be successful. So if you do anything wrong, if you're not sure on anything, you can ask me and I can guide you. If you want to run ads, you share with me and tell you you should run it or not. Anything you do, I can help you. So any question for me? Hi, James. Oh, wait, hold on. Anyone have question for me? Please let me know.
How do you care against West? Was it West Coast or West?
West Capital.
West Capital. Yeah.
Okay. They are similar to us in many ways. They are a bit brokers like us. They they work with rocket like us. They are strong with mentorship. We also have mentorship program too and team. They are more like a retail. They are like hybrid because their mentor and their divisional manager, they get an override from your from your commission. So
Thank you for, I got it. That's
yeah,
good to know.
they more like, for us, everything can be temporarily. You can be on your own after you, let's say you want to learn from someone, from a mentor or from a team leader. You can join them. And after a while, if you don't like, you can be on your own. And even after a while, you are good enough, you can become a team leader. You can recruit other loan officer in factory to join you. And we are more like a fintech company. We use technology to drive everything. They don't have the technology at all. They are suffering with that because they don't have the technology. So when they grow bigger without the technology, they struggle. So with them, it's not a flat fee. You have to pay them, I think, a monthly fee of $70 to get the technology. And they in California, I heard that you have to be licensed under DRE. You cannot be licensed under DFPI. And that means you need to be a real estate agent. Otherwise, you cannot join them.
I see.
Yeah, there's a few differences. And I think they charge you like 15% of your commission instead of a flat fee like Loan Factory. And it's all negotiable too. Sometimes they charge you more, sometimes they charge you less. So it's up to them. They don't have a consistent policy. It's all negotiable. So
interesting. Are you in San Diego?
I am in San Jose, California.
San Jose. Okay, got it.
Yeah, and we do have an office in Orange County. And
thank you.
At Loan Factory, we work together, the whole company, and I train you. We got training with them. It's more like you work with your mentor, and that's it. There's no visibility to the rest of the loan officer in the company. At Loan Factory, let me share with you this. At Loan Factory, we have a team. We have many chat group. So in marketing chat group, people every day we will talk about marketing. You can join a mentor chat group, loan officer, loan products, marketing. You know, we talk about different topics every day. So you can join and chat with them. So that is another thing. And we have a marketplace. They don't have a marketplace like Loan Factory to support you. Everything you have problem, you have issue, you talk to your mentor with them. Here we have underwriter, we have marketing, we have support, we have IT standby and ready to help you.
My very last question: how do you compare against Nexa Mortgage? They're number one.
Oh, Nexa Mortgage. First of all, there's many differences. They don't have the technology. Only Loan Factory has the technology. We build everything ourselves. Our technology, our platform, you know, from LOS, POS, pricing engine, CRM, we build everything in-house. They don't have all of that. So you have to, Nexa, you have to pay them a monthly fee. Nexa, they charge you, I think, 55 bips. They charge you a lot so that they can pay your upline. They are like rev share model where many loan officers love to recruit instead of produce. So in their company, a lot of people recruiting, and they even promote. They say that some loan officer don't have to produce and they can make millions of dollars a year because they recruited. So they are like more than a recruiting model. And if you don't recruit, if you produce, you have to pay them a lot for your upline, for people that recruit you. So you work hard, but most of your commission, a lot of your commission being kept by them. They keep it. They work with 𝐷𝐷𝐻. We work with Rocket. 𝐷𝐷𝐻, you know them. They issue the ultimatum, and they keep this company hostage. So
They do.
Nexa cannot leave 𝐷𝐷𝐻 because the moment Nexa left, want to leave 𝐷𝐷𝐻, they will get an EPO invoice from a few $1 million. So, and 𝐷𝐷𝐻 know that, and that's why you at their mercy. 𝐷𝐷𝐻 can raise the rate. Nobody know, nobody care, nobody aware, and you end up with higher rate. And we believe that Rocket has much better rate and have consistent better rate than 𝐷𝐷𝐻. And I challenge you to compare their rate versus our rate, and you can see that.
Makes sense.
Yeah, the pricing is very important nowadays. All consumers love to shop around now. Consumers are getting younger. They love to do things themselves. They love to shop around. They love to be smart. And when they shop around, you need to have the best rate for them if you want to win the clients. Yeah, thank you. Hey, Marco.
Yeah, what would be the next step for somebody that just to complete the licensing, to get started on licensing and a mentor?
So our onboarding specialist will reach out to you and guide you step by step, so you don't have to worry about that. Thank you. Hey, Tola. Hello, Tola. Okay, cool. So I really
sorry.
want.
Sorry, can you hear
Yeah.
me? Sorry, I didn't realize I was muted. Yeah, my quick question was just in terms of leads. So you did mention, I'm sorry if I missed it, but you did mention that we do pay for leads. And so just someone like coming on board, just already been licensed and looking to kind of switch over and begin anew with the company. How exactly would the process work in terms of leads and that whole thing?
So right now we have company lead, but we only give it to 42 states, and the lead, we don't have a lot of leads yet. So you have to run your own lead. You need to generate your own lead, or you have to do Facebook lead yourself. I am planning to buy a lot of trigger lead and bank rate lead and free rate update leads and share that with you. But that's gonna be like 2-3 months from now. So the goal is we have a lot of leads for you, but it has to be around 2 to 3 months from now. Thank you, Tola. Hi, Ecuador.
Hi, quick question. So what would you say is a reasonable budget to create our own leads in different states? Because you mentioned $15 a day. Let's say that we wanted to launch an aggressive program to get leads with Facebook, what have you. What's the budget recommended?
My recommendation, it's up to you, right? But I recommend you to run maybe $15 a day for like one state, one area. You don't have to spend a lot more than that. $15, if you run it for the whole month, you should get at least 300 leads from Facebook.
And what's historically the rate of conversion on 300 leads based on today's market, in your opinion?
You asked a very good question. The conversion rate depends on many factors. In this market, the quality of lead is not good. Not many people. Yeah. I see the conversion rate is about 3 to 5%.
That's still very good.
Yeah, that's what I see. And the good thing about lead is we control it. The moment the lead say yes, say Facebook send to you, you get notified. You go in and call them right away. And that's why it's helped with the conversion. but you call them right away. Our system is good and notify you right away. That way you can convert faster and better.
And your marketing people will help us launch all that if we don't know enough about all that?
Yeah, we help you free, completely free.
Okay.
Yeah. Any question, please ask me. Okay, sound good. You know, right now I see some pickup in rate. Rate is getting a little bit better. I see more refinance. And I want all of you. My last advice, you are in the business. This is your business. You must make sure your business is growing. You must become better and better loan officer every day, right? It's your business. You should be able to win more clients. So if you got stuck, you need to find a way to get better. You need to make sure that no one else out there can have better rate than you. Or you have to make sure that I am so good that my client, once they talk to you, they have to do loan with you. You need to have something special, unique, something good so that you can win. If you are in the business and you are not better than average loan officer out there, how can you expect to win? How can you expect to be successful? How can you expect the client will come to you and choose you, right? So think about all of this, and I want you to get better and better. And we at Loan Factory, we do things to help you. We want you to get better. We want you to be competitive. We want you to have the confidence to go out there and win. And I'm here. If you have questions for me, I would love to chat with you. If you need to chat with me one-to-one, I will talk to you. I will share with you. I will talk to you. So thank you, everyone. I wish you a very good weekend. And reach out to me if you want to talk to me. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.